Hi UC gang, my name is Usane Kaku for those who don't know, and I make videos on natural hair, lifestyle, and beauty. So if that is your thing, then this channel is the channel to subscribe to. So today we are going to be doing a style video. As you can see, I've been rocking these wonderful knotless box braids for, I think it's been 6 weeks now, and they're getting older, but they're still looking good. If you want a video on how I maintain these, do go and check my previous video out. I will link it in this one up there somewhere. But yes, as I said, it's gonna be a style video today. And this video actually is something that I originally wanted to do on Instagram. If you're not following me there, go ahead and follow me there, and on my Twitter at Usane Precious. But yeah, it was originally an idea I had for Instagram, but I ended up being encouraged to come here and do it on a video instead. So that is what I'm doing. Today, we are going to be doing knotless box braids hairstyles, and they're going to be easy as heck to do. And if you haven't already entered, go ahead and enter my giveaway for the Yes Her Studio Duo for protective styles, and we can get started. So style 1 is one I've already done on my Instagram, so I'm just going to do it for you again here today in this video, just because it's already been seen before. So let's go.